Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you today?
Thank you. I am looking for a room for a few days. Can you help me with that?
Certainly, sir. May I ask how many days you plan to stay with us?
I will stay for 3 nights.
Very well. Do you have a preference for the type of room? We have single rooms, double rooms, and suites.
I think a single room is fine.
Okay, our single rooms are very comfortable. They come with a bed, a desk, a chair, and free Wi-Fi.
That sounds good. What is the cost per night?
The single room costs $50 per night. This includes breakfast.
Breakfast is included. That is nice. What kind of breakfast do you provide?
We provide a continental breakfast. You can have bread, butter, jam, tea, coffee, eggs, and some fruits.
That's good. Is the payment in advance necessary?
We can hold the room with a credit card. Some guests prefer to pay after checking out, but we usually ask for 50% advance to confirm the booking.
I have a credit card. Can I pay now?
Yes, sir. I can process your card payment. May I see your card, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. I will just check it. Everything is fine. The payment is approved. Your room is now booked.
Thank you.
You are welcome. May I have your name, please, for registration?
My name is John Anderson.
Thank you, Mr. Anderson. Could I also have your ID or passport, please?
Sure. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Everything is in order. You are now registered. Your room number is 305.
Room 305. Is it far from the reception?
No, it is on the third floor, just next to the elevator. Very easy to reach.
That is good. How about the Wi-Fi? Is it free in all rooms?
Yes, sir. Wi-Fi is free in all rooms and in the lobby as well.
Perfect. I may need to work on my laptop.
No problem, sir. You can also use the business center if you want a quieter place.
That is very helpful. Can you tell me about the hotel facilities?
Of course. We have a restaurant on the first floor, a small gym on the second floor, and a laundry service. There is also a parking area for guests.
That is very nice. What are the restaurant timings?
The restaurant opens at 7 a.m. for breakfast and closes at 10 p.m. Dinner is served from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Do you have room service?
Yes, sir. Room service is available 24 hours a day. You can order from the menu in your room.
Good. I may need that sometimes.
Sure. We are here to help anytime.
How about transportation? Can the hotel arrange a taxi for me?
Yes, sir. We can call a taxi or arrange a car for sightseeing. We also provide airport pickup and drop-off if you need.
That is excellent. I may need a taxi tomorrow morning.
Certainly, sir. What time shall I book it for?
Around 8 a.m., please.
Noted. We will arrange a taxi at that time.
Thank you. Are there any shops nearby?
Yes, there is a small supermarket 5 minutes from here. A pharmacy is also close by.
That is helpful. And any nearby places to visit?
The riverfront and the city museum are popular and quite close.
Great. I will check them out. Also, is breakfast served in the restaurant?
Yes, sir. Breakfast starts at 7 a.m. You can go directly to the restaurant.
Perfect. And the Wi-Fi password?
It is written on your room key card holder.
Great. If I need anything, I will call the front desk.
Of course, sir. Please feel free to contact us anytime.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, Mr. Anderson. We hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you.